if you are shy or you just want to keep it private, I'm going to show you how you can sell your digital products without being on the camera. Let's get into the video. If you want to start your digital product business but you don't know how to start, I have made a free guide for you that you can use to start. So don't forget, I'll leave the link in the description below. It will be the first link. You can click on it to download that free guide to help you start your digital product marketing. So you can use Pinterest to promote your digital products even without having a following or without creating videos every day if you don't want. And if you want to create videos, you can just create a simple video like when you are showcasing your digital product, like when you are using it, or you can even use AI to create the video for you. But if you don't want, you can just create simple pins like this. Yes, and you can use tools like Canva to help you create those pins so that you can use them in your Pinterest marketing. So when we come here to Canva, there are a lot of different pins that you can use, so it depends on you. So if you can see like this type of pin, it is talking about creating digital products. So as you can see, you can even just come here, change this template. You can click on customize, you customize it and start putting in the words that you want even without starting to design from scratch. And as you can see, there are so many of them that you can use to sell your digital products using Pinterest even without showing your face. You can even also use product markups like this. And the good thing about using Pinterest, you can either use Pinterest to link to your digital product directly, or you can link it to a blog. For example, if you see here different people, they have created these pins and they are linking somewhere. Yes, they are either linking to a blog or to the digital product itself. So as you can see here, when we click on visit site, this person created this pin. It's about a self-care planner, and when we click here, it's going to take us to their site. Yes, it's going to take us to their site, either to their blog or to the place that the person can purchase this digital product if they want. So as you can see, this is a blog for this person, and they are showcasing of the different digital products that they have here. Yes, so there are so many of them, and you can also do this. So you can come here on Pinterest and start creating your pins. And remember always to have a good title that has keywords. Yes, for example, as you can see, this person, they have put in the word self-care planner. So if a person is searching for self-care planner, they can find them because they are specific. They did not just put in the word planner, but they included self-care. So if a person sees this, they know this is a self-care digital product. So when you click here, also you can see also in their description, they have gone ahead to add in keywords which are also things like self-care planner, self-care template, so that they can make their digital product visible. And the good thing about Pinterest, their pins stay there forever. So if you link to a blog, even if you created that pin this year, that pin can still be working for you even in the next 5 years to come, as long as that link is still working. So you can come here to Canva, create pins like this and link to your digital product. Another example is this, which is also a planner that is linking to it. So if we click on this planner, so as you can see, this is a plan that a person created, and when they were creating the pin, they decided to use the actual picture of the planner. So you can also come to Canva and use pins like this, which are text based, or you can use also the picture of your product in Pinterest. So also that works. You can maybe create 6 pins for one product. You can come here and create text-based pins like this. You can also create pins like this which have product markups like what this person has done, and you can link to your site, or you can link to your blog is long term because your blog is going to be there. Yes, so you can link there, and if this person wants to visit this on Etsy, they will just click here and it will take them to Etsy to purchase this if they want. But another thing about your blog, you can come here and use platforms like Medium. They help you to be driving traffic. For example, you can be writing here these blogs, different of them according to the niche you are in, and that will be helping you also to lead people to your digital product. Yes, remember, Pinterest does not like people who are always every time posting their affiliate link. Yes, so for example, if you create 6 pins about a digital product, maybe you can put like 2 pins which are leading to the actual product, and maybe the other pins you link it to your blog, because Pinterest is more about providing value. That's what they want. Yes, and that will help to be pushing out your digital product if you put it in the blog that you have created. Yes, and if you use things like this which are product markups, that is also going to increase your chances of your digital product to being seen, because the person will see and know how the product looks like. Yes, this works better. And also these different text-based pins, they also work. Yes, so you can go ahead and mix them. You mix them where you create things, pins which show your product, how it looks like. You can also create text-based pins like this, and you can also create product markups like this. Yes, you put in your product in here in this markup, and you can also use this as your pin. And there are so many pins that here you can choose from Pinterest, as I have already told you, and you don't have to show your face. As you can see, just come here, put in the text that you want, and you don't have to show your face. For example, if we click here on customize this pin, then we can just come here, add in whatever we want. Here you can delete this or keep it. You can put in maybe say planner if that's what you want. Yes, and your pin is good to go. Yes, so you can just come here and download this as a PNG, and you just go ahead and upload it on Pinterest. Simple and easy. And why this works, you don't have to create videos every time. And a good thing that when you are consistent at Pinterest, you don't have to wait to have 1,000 subscribers. You don't have to wait to get 4,000 watch hours. You don't have to wait to get so many followers. As long as you are consistent and you keep on posting a lot of pins, Pinterest is a numbers game. The more pins you post, the more the algorithm will get to know more about you, and the more they will push on your pins to the audience that you are targeting to. Yes, so that's how Pinterest is going to help you to sell your digital products even without ever showing your face. And as I've told you, you can use like these platforms, Medium, to write blogs that can help your digital product business to grow. And the good thing about it, you don't have to create a website here on Medium. Just come here, sign up, and start creating simple blogs and link your digital product inside there in your blog, and you copy the link from Medium, then you come and paste it on Pinterest here plus your pin. So that means when people click on it, they can go to Medium to read, and they can also go ahead to buy your digital product. Remember to keep on posting pins, like 6 pins daily, and as I've shown you, you can come to Canva and create as many pins as you want. So don't worry that how am I going to create 6 pins a day.